Hey, Matt, how you doing? Can you hear me? Yeah. I got you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Move that microphone real close. Talking to it like I owe you money.
Yeah, sure.
There we go. Now I got you loud and clear.
How do I tighten this?
Looks like it's bottomed out.
Okay. All right.
All right, do me a favor. Slide over to the edge. Perfect. We're going to put that foot right here. You're going to turn to that mount.
Okay. This?
Yep. Just turn. Perfect. There we go. Now go ahead and snug your seatbelt so you feel just a little pressure. Awesome. And then just take the wire out from under your arm, toss it over your shoulder. Very good. Bring your foot inboard. I'll direct you to kick that out when we have this thing ready for you to go, okay?
Got it.
Looks like you're all set.
Alrighty, guys. Welcome to Gunship Helicopters. My name is Matt. I'll be your pilot today. Do you have any questions on the stage briefing at all?
All good, Matt.
No, I think, yeah, he did a great job.
Awesome. Got you on this camera right here. If you want to pilot anyone back home. You guys are all set. Let's go have some fun.
Sure.
Anybody's first time in a helicopter today?
No, second.
Cool. It's my first time, so go easy on me.
Oh, no. You're the owner. Come on. You're a master of these, man.
Where are you guys coming from?
Toronto, Canada.
Okay, nice. Can't do this back at home, huh?
No, it's definitely much warmer in here. So.
Cabin, weapons secure.
Cool enough. Alrighty, pre-takeoff checks are complete, clear, lighten up.
That's it.
Here we go.
Go, Tom Cruise. Like Top Gun, machine gun. There you go.
Another day at the office.
Woo! I'm actually super excited.
One way to celebrate with a bang, I guess, huh?
No, don't need to go easy on us. You can take it the way you want.
Looks like Wolf North. Alright, you're the first shooter of the day. You gotta flip that bar. No pressure. No clear.
Range clear to the road.
Weapons high.
Appreciate your discretion.
Foot on the platform for me. Perfect. One on the grip, one on the stock. Either one. Perfect. Raise it up. There you go. Perfect. Now, put the end of this. Put the end of this just below your target. Hold that trigger. Watch where it's impacting. Move it where you want. See the big orange guys in front of the white box?
Ready.
Fired. Hold that trigger. 3-second minimum.
There you go.
Good trigger.
Got me.
Remember, pedal to the metal. All the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4 release, okay? Right there in front of the white bag. A little lower. Lower. Come on.
Who's going to help you aim?
Go for it. Perfect. A little longer on that trigger. There you go. Halfway. Go for it. Good, good. Pull up. Go for it. And hold your fire.
So a little bit longer on that trigger for us, alright?
Okay.
Just kind of count in your head. 1, 2, 3 before you let go. You're doing good, though.
All right.
Nice little trick. You want to hear it go, and then let out. You go, that's too small.
Okay.
She's hungry. Let her eat.
Okay, got it. Yeah, we'll do. We'll get better this time. Come on.
All right, we're coming back around on the first target. You ready?
Got
Go
it.
ahead, get on the gun. You're going to want to bring it up. There you go. Perfect. Now we're going to go for that one above that number 1. Fire. Perfect. Excellent. There you go.
There you go.
A little bit low. There you go. Go for it. Very good. Stand on the rock. Go by yourself. 1, 2, 3. A little lower. A little lower. Good. Good. Go in the pocket. Let him have it. Hold your fire. Alright, we're going to go for that next target. Fire. There you go. Go for it. Winchester, that's 200 rounds.
Nice.
Are you good, or would you like to purchase some more?
You want to purchase more? I'll do one more.
You want another 100 rounds?
Yeah, I'll do one more round.
Not a problem. Weapon clear.
Shoot at him, 100.
Bye, Johnny, 100.
Alright, so you got the hang of it. We're going to speed it up a little bit on this one, alright?
Okay, got it.
Can't make it too easy.
I know. This was just trial, right? That's what happened.
Weapon is hot. Alright, approaching target. Go ahead and start aiming. A little lower, there you go. Fire. There you go. Down low. Very good. Very good. Go up pocket. Get him. Winchester, that's how you want to go. Not bad.
That was good.
Weapon clear. Cabin secure. Roger. Weapon secure. RTV.
Weapon cap secure, right?
Yeah, that's how it's done.
Thank you, guys.
Honestly, dog.
A lot more fun than on the ground, huh?
It is a lot of fun. I love it.
This is a little fun for the aircraft. We also run the 134. This one runs to 850 a minute. That one runs 4,000. Roll northbound. Got it. Alright, when we get all the way in on the ground and we're safe, I'll give you guys a thumbs up. Just gonna hang up your headset so you don't get tangled. Switch seats. We'll do it all again.
Point of that one. Alright guys, good to pop those belts and swap seats for me. Don't forget to hang up your headsets.
Can you hear me, ma'am? Yes, sir. I got you. Yep. I got you, loud and clear. Do me a favor. Slide over to the edge. Perfect. We'll just give him just a second. If you want to go ahead and just snug up your seatbelt a little bit, ma'am. There is slack on both sides. So right underneath the buckle. Just underneath the buckle on the right-hand side.
Yeah.
There should be a tab right there for you to pull.
Oh, but there you go. Okay.
There you go. All right, sir. I'm going to get you to put your foot right here. And then go ahead and turn to the mount. Perfect. Now go ahead and just snug up a little. Make sure your seatbelt's going to keep you on the seat. A little bit more. That's an awful lot of slack. There we go. Go ahead and pull inboard. Try not to get too much out here. It gets flopping around, slapping, choking. That's extra in Vegas. Looks like you're all set. Go ahead and bring your feet inboard. And we'll just take that wire and just toss it over your head. Perfect. Looks like you're all set. Got 200 in the can for you. Oop. Woo. cabin. Weapon secured.
Clear right up.
Full left.
You think I have to speak about it? The power is good. I'll go.
All right, no pressure, but she did pretty good.
Because of her, I'm doing this. She's adventurous. I'm not.
Once you start running the gun, it's nothing, man. It's easy. It's actually a whole lot of fun. If it wasn't, we probably wouldn't be as busy as we are. One of those few things that your excitement level gets really high, and you get up here and you do it, and you're like, it was well worth it.
Yeah.
A lot of things you get really excited, and you're like, that was all right.
No, this is the first time. You have to be excited for this. You cannot do it anywhere else, right?
Nope, not on the civilian aspect. North Clear.
Main Square Clear Road.
Yeah, basically, it's you come here, or you enlist and get shot at.
Yeah.
Weapon time.
Appreciate your discussion.
One on the grip, the other one on the stop. Bring it on up. Perfect. Like that. At the end of this, put it below your target. Hold that trigger. Watch that impact. Move it on in. Really. See the white badge? Start with far left. Pick number one. Go to that orange guy above it. And fire. There you go. Yeah. Hold on just a second. Looks like you're going left-handed. Put the stock over on that side. Nope. Put your hand back. You were good. Yep. Now we're just going to move this over. Hold on. There. Put this over here. Okay. Keep going. There you go. Like that.
Okay.
That's going to work a lot better for you. Go ahead and aim for that guy there. Hold on a second. Right there. There you go. Much better. Up the hill. Airplane in front of the rock. A little longer on that trigger. Hold it. Two on the corner. There you go. There you go. Hold your fire. We're going to come around.
Nice.
Now you got it. A little easier now, huh?
I'm going to hold the fire for more than 3 seconds.
Just hold that trigger down a little bit longer when you're shooting.
Playing this video game, right? Call of Duty?
Yeah, exactly. Call of Duty.
Yeah, that's what's happening right now.
You're getting it. A little bit different operation. Whole lot more fun, though. All right, we'll put your target. Aim for number one. Fire. There you go. Yeah. Very nice. Get it again. Good. Clear pocket. Very good. Get him. Winchester. That's 200 rounds.
Nice.
You want some more ammo or are you good? That's good. You're good? Come on,
No, take another arrow. No, do another round. Come on.
Another 100?
Another round, yes.
Another round? Okay.
You're not going to come here again, then. I said, come on.
She does have a point.
Yeah, you guys came all the way out here. Might as well, right?
Exactly.
I won't argue. Weapon time. All right. Now that you got it, he's going to go a little faster this time. Weapon time. RPG. Good hit. Very nice. Good hit. Hold your fire. All right. Orange, right in front of the white badge. Far left. Let him have it. Good. All right.